In this clip, we're going to talk about the proper way to reinstall your vehicle's upper radiator hose. I have my hose sitting right over here. I'm going to grab it. And this is it. As you can see, my radiator hose has some abrasion protective stuff on there. You want to make sure that it stays where it's at. If it's damaged during removal, go down to your local parts store and pick up some more. That'll keep this hose from rubbing through on the other various metal components on the engine and causing a leak. I'm taking, slip my hose under my air conditioning line here onto the thermostat housing, and I will take and slip the hose over here onto my upper radiator port. Once I have my hose in place and I'm happy with the way it's sitting, that it's not rubbing on anything excessively, I will take my vice grips and release the tension on my permanent tension hose clamps. Wiggle them back up into place. It's a good idea. If you look at your hose where the clamp came off, there's going to be impression of where the clamp was. It's a good idea to put the clamp right back where it was at. There's one. And I have one more located over here at my thermostat housing. Alright, once you have the tension released, like I said, you can just take and wiggle it up where it's supposed to be and release the tension. That is the proper way to install your vehicle's upper radiator hose.